Hello viewers, in my previous video I discussed about the technology we will use in our website development. Today I will discuss about the text editor and XAMPP local server before creating our website. In my next videos I will show you how to set up files for our project. So first of all we need to download XAMPP server from Google Chrome. For that we have to go to Google Chrome first and just type XAMPP download. Then you can see download XAMPP here from apache-friends.org. From the site we can download XAMPP for Windows. We can download XAMPP for also Linux operating system, and XAMPP for OS system, that is for Mac, and so on. So I already downloaded, I already installed my XAMPP, so I'm not gonna install it again, right? So just check it here. This is our XAMPP control panel. Here we can see that module is Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercari, Tomcat, etc. So for developing or for testing or for running a website, we'll need only Apache and MySQL. We'll discuss about this little bit today. First of all, we have to know that what is XAMPP actually. What does it mean? We have to understand that first, right? So here X is for cross-platform. This X is for cross-platform. So what do you mean by cross-platforms? It means that it's compatible with different operating systems such as Windows, Ubuntu, Linux, etc. You can install, you can run this software in different operating systems. That is cross-platform. Okay, now what is Apache? That is XA, that is A. A stands for Apache. This is a server name, Apache. Then we can see here Apache. This is a server name, our local server name, and this M is stands for MySQL. It stands for MySQL. And also, this FileZilla, this is the FTP server, is basically used for uploading files, uploading documents in website. But we are not going to use this one. We will only use Apache and MySQL. And the last one, that P, it stands for PHP or Perl. Okay, so there may arise a question in our mind that why do we use XAMPP? Actually, when you develop a website, we need a local server to test our project or website whether it's running correctly or not before uploading to remote server, like before uploading to Google, before uploading to any server like a remote server. Okay, uh, so for that purpose we need XAMPP. It is basically used for testing a website before uploading to a remote server whether it is running correctly or not. To test that, only that purpose we use this local server XAMPP. So before creating a website we need to plan it well, what we're going to do with our website and what type of files, what type of images, what type of documents will be there available in our files. We have to plan that before creating our website. So these documents should be arranged properly before start coding. So why should we actually, here Apache MySQL, let's start it. Start. Okay, now just go to your local disk. See, here we can find a XAMPP. Here just look for the htdocs. Where is htdocs? Here, this is htdocs. It is called root file. So in where we will store, will arrange our files necessary for creating our website. Every files will be stored under this file. When you will install your XAMPP first time for the first time, then no files, it will be empty. But for me, I have created already a lots of project here, not lots of actually. I just created two projects here. That is a chick cartoon and also is the art gallery advance. And I am gonna show you how can you run your local server using XAMPP. So here you just type localhost phpMyAdmin or whatever, sorry, localhost localhost then php my admin. Yes, this is our database and it's coming from where? From here. This is the mysql, this is our database name. In XAMPP control panel is everything is being controlled by this one, and we are just running it on website without connecting to your Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is on now, and if you just disconnect it, still you can run this one because it is local server, right? So delete it, go back, and again you just type localhost phpMyAdmin. See, there is my database. Hachik cartoon already I have created. I will show you how to create database in our website also. Everything I will show, don't worry about that. And even there is another database I have created for online art gallery. So for this purpose, online art gallery, I am gonna show you how can you run your website using XAMPP local server. So for that you just type localhost. Then first of all we need to check where this project is. Where the project is under htdocs in C drive, and then this file under project. This is my project art gallery advance. So if you want to run this project, so go there and just type localhost project. Under project there is art gallery, art underscore gallery, art gallery underscore advance. Okay, just enter it and you can see this is my website I've created earlier. So minimize it a little bit. It is using actually, this is it's being broken when you just connect it to your remote server here, then it will appear beautifully on your site, like you just enter it. See, make it a little bit bigger. This is my website I created earlier, and you can, and this is my database. Where is the database? This is my no online article, yeah, this is my database. This is my forms, every documents are stored here, and it's being processed, and it's just showing output on your site, on your Google site, like this. Isn't it good? Okay, so it's the XAMPP. That's why we need a XAMPP control panel to run or to test our website before uploading it to a remote server. So now let's move on. Let's move to text editor. That in previous video I have discussed that, I mentioned that uh, in this project we will use Sublime, though there are lots of text editors like Notepad++, Dreamweaver, CS5, or whatever, but we will use Sublime. For that you just Sublime text download. You just type this and download Sublime text. There, you can download from here. You can download. You just press it. You can download here from which version do you need actually. You can download it easily from here, sublimetext.com, or else you can do one thing. Suppose for encode markup, you can also download from here. Also download for Windows. Download for Windows. Yeah, you can download from here. I also downloaded from here, and also already I installed. That's why I'm not gonna download or install it again. So let's check it. How does it work? Just let's see. This is my Sublime text. I just enter. This is my Sublime text editor. We will start coding from using this one, or else if you are comfortable with your Notepad++, you can use that also. I'm gonna show you that also, don't worry. That Notepad++, you can also start coding from here. I already coded many. I have already coded for many projects. There, you can see. So this is the Notepad++. You can also code. You can start coding using this Notepad++. Also, don't worry about that. But I'm comfortable with. I'm comfortable with what? I'm comfortable with Sublime text editor. I will use it. So this one, Sublime text. It's really good. For why I'm recommending you to use this one, because you know, when you just save it like index whatever index dot html, like to save the documents instead. Yes, documents in D. Okay, .html. Replace it because I have already created index.html. That's why it's asking for replacing it. Yeah, I will replace it, don't worry. So why I'm recommending you to use Sublime text editor, because you can see that html, you see every text will appear here, and it's really comfortable for a developer, for a designer. But in Notepad++, in Notepad++, where in Notepad++, this facility is not here. This facility is not here. Just save it first, and then html dot, actually just save it first, don't worry. Just save it, new one, whatever, new dot html, new dot html. When you'll type it html, enter it, nothing is appearing. Again you have to type backslash html everything. It's really time consuming. It's really time consuming for a developer. That's why I'm asking you to use Sablon text editor. It's really good. Okay, so that's all for today. In next videos I will show you how to set up files for our documents. Here we'll arrange our files. We'll store our files, everything in htdocs. Here we'll create another folder, everything. How can we do that, and what type of folders, what names should be there, everything I'm gonna show you in next video. So keep in touch with me. Thank you so much for watching this videos, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and stay with me for upcoming tutorials. Thank you. Bye.